my beautiful soul family. Thank you so much for joining me here at RisingOneCoaching. If it's your first time joining, thank you so much. I love inviting new folks into the channel and subscribing. I'm Allison, your lifestyle and wellness coach with a twist of spirituality. And this week we've been talking about creativity and self-expression. Monday we talked about creativity and how it benefits our minds. Wednesday we talked about creativity and how it flows and benefits our bodies. And today, it's Friday, we talk about the soul. So we're going to be talking about soul expression and soul creativity. And before we get started, I talked about this in each of the videos Monday and Wednesday, but if you're finding that it's a little challenging to find your own sense of self-expression and creativity, I've created these free printable coloring pages. This is the Tree of Life coloring page, and it's my gift to you. I love creativity, and I just wanted to open it up to everybody. You can print this out. You can print out as many copies as you'd like. So you can do this by yourself. You can do this with friends, family, your kids, nieces and nephews, cousins, whoever is special in your life. And it's also part of a bundle. So not only do you get the free Tree of Life coloring page, there's also a custom meditation that I created just for you guys that goes specifically along with this coloring page. So you can really turn it into a beautiful practice where you're coloring whatever coloring tools you'd like to use. You can put on your favorite music, you can listen to the meditation, grab your favorite beverage, and just really tap into your creativity and have fun with it. And I'd love to hear from you. If you gave it a try, what was it like for you? What did you learn? What came up for you? I would love to hear from you. It just makes me so happy to get comments from you guys. So let's tap into creativity and our soul. So we're going to explore creativity not just as play or expression, but as a spiritual language, a way that our soul speaks to us, and a lineage that connects you to every ancestor who came before. I love learning about ancient cultures. I love learning about ancestry, and I've been slowly working through my own family's ancestry, and it's just such a beautiful way to connect with who you are and where you come from. So creativity is a spiritual language, and creativity since the beginning of time has been a way that humans have expressed spirit through their creativity. Long before written language even existed, our ancestors painted symbols on cave walls. They told stories around the fires, and they drummed rhythms that echoed the heartbeat of the earth. It's just a beautiful way we've always had to express ourselves. And these acts weren't just arts or crafts. They were sacred expressions. Ancient Egyptians used hieroglyphs not only for words, but as mystical codes of divine truth. In Celtic traditions, the braided knots and spirals were used to symbolize eternity and spirit woven into matter. Indigenous cultures around the world wove beadwork, danced, and sang as living prayers, ways to honor the earth, connect with our ancestors, and commune with the divine. So creativity, when you think about it, has been humanity's first language of the soul. It's never been separate from spirituality. It was and is spirituality. A cave painting was both art and prayer. A drumbeat was both rhythm and invocation. And a story told by the fire was both entertainment and initiation. And the same power is alive in you. When you sing, write, paint, cook, dance, you're not just making something, you're bridging heaven and earth. You're channeling spirit, God, the universe into physical form. Your creativity is the voice of your soul, and it echoes every ancestor who's ever dared to express their light. So I want to ask you, when you create, even if it's something small, how does it feel in your spirit? Do you sense that deep aliveness, that timelessness, as if you're tapping into something greater than yourself? That's your soul remembering. So today's practice is simple but sacred. I'd love for you to choose one creative act. It could be doodling, journaling. You could do the Tree of Life page. You could sing a song, move your body. But before you begin, pause and whisper, hand on heart. I open as a channel. Spirit, move through me. I open as a channel. Spirit, move through me. And then let your creativity flow without judgment. Whatever comes through is what's meant to be. And when you're finished, once again, place your hand on your heart and say, I honor my soul. I honor the lineage of creativity within me. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is more than just an activity. It's communion. It's sacred space, sacred time. It's a way of remembering your creativity, that it is sacred and it carries light forward into the world. Your special, unique light that we need in this world. Don't dim your light. Express it and share it. Love this. So you're oh, there's a blue jay visiting. They're expressing their own selves. Hi, blue jay. You getting some peanuts? Thanks for visiting the garden. I love the blue jays. So your creativity, it's not just yours. It's part of a greater song that we are all singing in our own unique way. Every time you honor it, you align with your soul's truth, and it ripples that light outward into the collective. So this weekend, I invite you to let your soul speak through creativity. And if you feel called, I would love to hear from you in the comments. What creative act feels most sacred to you? What came up for you? How did your soul decide to express itself this weekend? It is just wonderful to build this community and this support where we can all just be our unique selves, express ourselves, and be creative together. So remember, you are a living canvas. Your life is the art. Your soul is the painter. You are the masterpiece. Thank you so much for showing up today. It is wonderful to spend this time with you guys. It is such a blessing. I love sharing all of this with you. Please leave comments about how this week of creativity has gone for you. So I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Blessings.